What do you got?
0.6.
Ah, that's nowhere near close. Now we've got the caster where we like it, but the camber's wrong. That always happens. So when we adjusted the inner and outer, rather the front and rear of the upper control arm, we made the front arm of the control arm longer, we made the rear shorter. By equal amounts, we were hoping that we would just be bringing that ball joint backwards, but what we actually did was we brought it backwards and in. So now we have 0.6 of a degree negative camber, and we want to bring it back out to 0 or so. Maybe a little bit positive camber. We tried sitting in the car hoping that would push the top of the wheel out. As you weight the car, it does bring the top of the wheel out, but it was only 0.1 of a degree, so we do need to readjust the camber now.